Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight to action. Unlock the phone and open settings, then Bluetooth or connections. Locate the exact device name. This matters when several appear. Tap the small info or gear icon next to the device and select Forget this device or Unpair. Confirm the prompt. Doing so removes the pairing record from this device. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is still enabled briefly, because some systems require a live radio to complete the removal process before moving on. After unpairing locally, verify the device isn't tied to your cloud account. Open iCloud or Google account settings and remove the device there, because Cloud Sync can repush entries. Power cycle the accessory, and if it has a companion app, delete pairing inside that app as well. If the entry still reappears, perform Reset Network Settings. This clears Bluetooth pairings and cached profiles. Be aware this resets Wi-Fi and VPN entries too, so have passwords handy before you proceed. Finish by rebooting both the phone and the accessory, then check for and install any OS or firmware updates. Updates resolve many pairing glitches. Reattempt pairing by selecting the device, confirming PIN or code, and watching for a successful connection. If the old entry still shows up, sign out of your cloud account on the phone, remove the device from account device lists, then sign back in. This severs Cloud Sync restoration. If all else fails, perform a factory reset on the accessory as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.